Well, another big theme that's been playing out in the broader markets has been the packaging space. We have been seeing a lot of stocks. SL Propack has moved up. You had Cosmo Films as well that was moving higher. In fact, it's given big returns just in the last 1 month or so. And in the last few minutes, Polyplex, that's a larger company in terms of their exposure to packaging, both on BOPP or BOPET. It's known as BOPET. That stock, in fact, has moved up, and it's moved up in quite some fashion in the last few minutes. And you pull up a larger time horizon as well, you'll see the stock has done relatively better. But how do you trade the Nifty from here? We're closing closer towards that 11,100 odd mark. Ashwini joins us. Ashwini, tell us what would be your closing trade, and if you have a couple of picks as well.
See, if we can slip past, tomorrow's policy, I would think that, the market still remains in a fairly strong uptrend. What you would want to do is possibly go long into the policy and post the policy if the bank Nifty rallies. Go long with options, I would think, maybe buy 11,300 September calls. On individual stocks, I think metals are going in all the way with very bullish charts. Plus, you have individual stocks like PVR, M&M Financial, etc. Those are things you can look at. But overall, the market uptrend seems to be sustaining.
All right. Well, so metals looking good, and Ashwini is saying that you should continue to be long, and maybe you could play this up move via call options. Well, thanks so much, Ashwini, for joining in and in fact giving us that closing trade. Well, it's been a decent day of trade. Yes, we went to around that 11,200 odd mark, and from there we did see some profit booking, but the space to beat today really had to be the metal stocks. Hindalco, Tata Steel, top gainers on the Nifty out there. JSW Steel as well chipping in there, but also a couple of these auto names like in Eicher Motors did well. Titan was expensive at 950, was expensive at 1,000, and in fact in today's trading session, Titan made that move towards that 1,100 rupee mark odd. What was underperforming then in today's trade? HDFC Life, it's come into the Nifty. We did see some buying getting into the Nifty, but from there, it's seen some selling. So that was under pressure. And keep in mind, the Nifty Bank ended in the green with a gain of close to around 60 points approximately. But you had big boy HDFC Bank that did perform. It came in for some profit booking after the big surge that we saw in yesterday's trading session. IT stocks as well, a little bit subdued in today's trade. Infosys and Tech Mahindra, both of them ended in the red. The good point, though, was the mid-caps continue to do well, with the mid-cap index ending higher with a gain of close to around 0.5% odd. Well, on that note, we'll wrap up on this edition of Closing Bell. But on the other side, learn the basics of investing and how to choose the right businesses in our special show, CNBC TV-18 Investment Guide with Nilesh Shah of Kotak Mahindra AMC.